1524 hammer. So we need a landscape cleanup. That's really normal. There's no wood frame around the garage door that needs to be maintained. That's nice. One less thing. Crosswalk right here. As you can see, there's a playground there. Okay, so for me, this flooring has a nice feel when you walk in. We need a 2.5-inch faux wood blind here and a $50 paper arch fan for the top. We'll see what Jenny says about these existing ones since they're the wood color, not the typical white that we do. Pantry. Lots of upgrades throughout. Really nice cabinet pulls. Beautiful counters, large sink, cabinets in overall good condition, lots of counter space. That is fake grass, which is a plus. Jenny loves that. It looks maybe like it's not the best installation job, but it's still nice that it's here. We'll see what she says about keeping it. This looks like this was epoxied at one point in time. So we have the French doors on the back. This window has the 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. Jenny may not say this needs any privacy. We'll see what she says. This is a very large fan. So this is the same flooring with the transition strip. Then we have a change in flooring here. The walls are a tannish color. And the paint is in overall good condition. This definitely needs a blind. Nice size closet. I can see that there's been touch up in certain areas with the paint. That type of thing is a Jenny call, whether we can fix it or just repaint the whole thing. I think, of course, like I said, it's a Jenny call, but I think it looks decent enough. The last room was pretty small. This room's a little larger. The light's not working. We have the 2 closets and the correct blinds. This is an older carpet, but at least it's a dark color. Vinyl here in the laundry room. The light isn't working here either, sorry. Gas. Laminate shelf here. Okay, pretty standard. We have tile in this bathroom. Cabinets look pretty good. No problems that I see. No standard stuff like maybe replacing that drain's really easy to do. It's an interesting light. Jenny call. Okay. That's it. That's stone as well.